So now let us work with the brainstorming diagram. In order to start a brainstorming diagram, I'm going to go into my category section and I'm going to choose business because brainstorming is used in business. It's categorized here. And you can see that there's a brainstorming diagram right here. So let me just click this and you can see that I can choose my units. I'm just going to choose metric and I'm going to click create. So once I do that, you can see that blank canvas actually appears. There's my brainstorming charts right here. So let me just expand this out and you can see that there's the main topic, multiple topic, and so forth. So I can drag the main topic so you can see that this is the main brainstorm topic that I can work with. For example, I'm going to say that I'm going to make a tutorial on After Effects, for example. So let's say in After Effects I want to work with subtopics, so I can keep a topic right here. You can see that there's a topic, but if I were to just drag it out, it just stays unlinked. I don't want that. I want it to be linked right here, but that does not work as you can see. I can actually drag this in and then add an association line or connect it, but instead of doing that, since this is a brainstorming diagram, I can easily create a linked object by going on to the brainstorming tab right here. And here you can see that I can add in a main topic, subtopic, peer, and multiple subtopics right here. So let me just click this and you can see that another main topic actually appears right here. So I can say that this is Premiere Pro. Alright, so two main topics right here, just like that. So I'm just gonna go over here. So main topic adds a main topic here. Subtopic, so I want a subtopic for After Effects. So I'm going to go for subtopic and you can see that there's a new topic right here. So I'm going to say VFX, and another subtopic that I may want to add is motion graphics. So two subtopics right there. So motion graphics and VFX. Right, there you go. So you can keep on adding your information. And in motion graphics, maybe I want to add an appear as well. So you can see that I can add an appear. So that adds in a similar level outcome right here. Motion graphics, VFX, and maybe compositing. Alright, there you go. So I got my subtopics right there. I'm going to click here, and in VFX maybe I want to add in some subtopics. So if I were to click that, you can see that there's a subtopic right there. In VFX I want to work with CC effects, right? And maybe I want to work with plugins, and I want to add in much more details. So what I can also do is I can add in multiple subtopics right here. So I'm going to work with plugins, 3D effects, and maybe I want to work with alright, maybe I want to work with more of particles, right? There you go. So I'm just going to list out the things that I want to include, press OK, and you can see that the subtopics are included just like that. So you can see that I'm just going to delete this out. You can add in subtopics and arrange subtopics right here quite easily inside of Microsoft Visio by using the brainstorming diagram, and you can even see that the brainstorming diagram is listed out right here. So that is how you can work with brainstorm diagram inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.